This is read code question number 1281. Subtract the product and sum of digit of an integer. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given an integer nums n, return the difference between the product of its digit and sum of its digit. Alright, how we can solve it? Yes, first we needed to separate each digit. Now 2, 3, 4, and then first we needed to calculate the product of digits. So 2, 3, 6, 6, 4, 24, and 24 minus, and sum of digit is 5, 9. So 15 is what we need. Did it make sense? Okay, so I will gonna separate digit first, and then I will first I will make the product of all digit, and then second I will calculate the sum, whole sum of digit, and then I will deduct sums from digit, and I will return it. Okay, first while I will iteration until nums is 0, and if num is odd, I will use bit operator, and sorry, no need to, sorry. Okay, first I will make the digit. Digit must be nums. I will use reminder 10, and then after that I will now we can get the 4, and then next iteration we need to get 3. So to make it, I will divide 10. Then 234 to 23. Nums divide 10, and then I will calculate products, and then add a digit, and then sums also I will add the digit. Okay, now we needed to make two global variable product, and then initialize 0 and 1. Yes, 1, because if we initialize with 0, we can get return value is 0. So every value product 0 is 0. Second is sums is 0. And then finally I will return product minus sums. Okay, let's check the code. There are no nums, and okay, looks good. Okay, time complexity is, let n is a digit of numbers, in this case 3, and it take the linear time with constant space because we do not use any extra data storage. Thank you.